If I was your best friend, I want you around all the time. I want you around me all the time. Girl, I'll be your best friend. If you promise you'll be mine. Girl, promise you'll be mine. My baby? This thought alone might break me. And I don't wanna.
I lied, we're going on a date.
I'm not stressed for a date.
Nah, this thing gonna be tough. I just gotta find parking.
Well, I feel like this is a prank. Turn this down. I feel like I'm about to be pranked. Like, I don't like it.
No, a prank?
I don't know. Because you told me we was going to the Apple store, and then you just said, I lied, we're going on a date. And I'm not dressed for a date.
Nah, you dressed for the perfect date. Because you are beautiful to me. Oh, darling.
I don't like this, and I'm watching you. I thought a bitch who be speaking on me, but fucking a broke nigga said something. That's the part I felt. Do I need a mask?
No. Watching me. Watch yourself. Who gonna run up on you?
I don't know, but I'm just saying.
Why would you think somebody run up on
a
you?
little rusty, but...
Wow, you are beautiful.
Oof, it's hot. It's hot.
Ooh, you're a hot mama. Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
This is a boat ride.
I thought you was about to... Do you see that right there?
No, that looks dangerous.
Exactly, and I don't do water. I mean, I can swim, but only for a short period.
I'm weak. We are going on a date. And I have a video now.
What do you mean?
This is my video, the takeover. Dun 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 dun. Part 2.
Shut up.
Exactly.
This ain't a prank, though.
I didn't say it was a prank. Oh, titty all out. So this is a date I planned. We are currently on a boat, and Dominique is very scared, but it's okay.
Very scared.
It's very
Only
nice.
because it's so wobbly. Just like to have on a life jacket.
Respectable. Respectable. So this has always been Team Wire, and you might as well can just say it now. It's fine. Go ahead, say it. Go ahead, say it. Say it. Say it. Go ahead, say it.
No, this was nice, but it's Team Dommie. Like,
What? Are you kidding me?
We'll let them decide.
We're just gonna say, yep, it's definitely okay. Yeah, for sure. In the comments, Team Wire. I'm Cash App $2.
Say you surprised me.
Okay.
But I'm mad because
You hate surprises.
no.
Wow, look at
That's
it.
not why.
Why?
Because I would have dressed better for the occasion.
You looking good though.
I would have put on a nice long skirt with a cute little,
Yes.
bodysuit, maybe a little hat, some glasses.
Oh.
He told me he was going to the Apple store. He told me I was getting my phone fixed.
Oh my goodness.
Well, you can't pull off a surprise.
Bubble it here. There you go.
Thank you.
No problem, no problem. Very flat side. You know what I'm saying? I was poured from the side. You don't want to get too bubbly.
I see. That is smell like apple juice. Really good, cheers.
It is. What a twist.
Definitely what it was.
Something like that.
You still had hand sanitizer on your hair.
Oh, no. You know what he said about some low-level bridges? Might could do something freaky.
Yeah.
Only the finest chocolates for my chocolate.
That was so corny.
Oh my God.
That was so corny.
That should work perfectly. What? Who's he gonna? Hope we turn around.
This might be the end.
I wasn't trying to kill you. Surprise! Got the prank. Here's the prank.
Prank. Going under some water.
There you go.
Woo. Where the heck did that come from?
Dude, I don't even know. That's crazy. I wonder what it say. Shit crazy.
Dear Dominique, the moments we cherish are something I never want to end. I thank God for making you and I. Thank your mom for raising you. The most beautiful woman in the world in my eyes, sunshine. Hopefully one day I can call you my cutie pie and you be your reason why. And be your reason why. Forever yours, Bryce. Did you drop that?
How could I drop that?
Stop.
How could I drop that?
Where did it come from?
Dude, who knows? I do not know.
Oh my goodness. You do know. You just don't want to tell your secret.
Okay, why would I reveal my secrets?
No, because I did not see that.
Me neither.
Oh my goodness.
So you might as well say it now. Just say it now. It's fine.
All right, Team Wire. Team Wire.
Wait, a little out. What'd you say? You said what now? You said what? You say what?
Team Wire.
Oh.
You got this one.
All right.
You are so annoying. You tried to make a player. Stop smiling like that.
Like what?
I can't do it because my mouth not as.
Yep. And that is it. DW gang. I did my thing. The new Tory and Megan. Minus the gun.
No, it was not Tori and Megan. Hold on.
Ew. So, Dominique admitted DW gang. It's always Team Wire.
I did not admit that it's always.
Said Team Wire. That's what I heard. I'll run it back.
Team Wire. Team Wire. Because you got this one. You surprised me and you did good. That's just Team Wire for now. Look at how oily I look just because I put Vaseline on.
Let me look at you.
No.
This.
It's oil with a mixture of sweat.
You. Subscribe. Do your thing. DW gang, Team Wire.
Team Dommie.